Welcome to the HDR Extended Length product line from Orbis. The HDR Extended Length Bulk Pack is a long-term, reusable, collapsible bulk container offered in a 70 by 48 and 78 by 48 footprint. Both footprints are offered in 25 and 34-inch heights, with the 70 by 48 footprint also having an available 50-inch height. Orbis BulkPak is the only supplier in the industry that offers a fully molded 78 by 48 footprint base. A 19-inch fixed wall height is available when doors are not required. Let's look at some of the features of the HDR Extended Length series. The HDR Extended Length series is made of high-density polyethylene plastic using a structural foam injection molding process. They can be used for multiple applications such as automotive components, hardware, and industrial equipment, and holds 1,500 pounds evenly distributed throughout the bin. The HDR BulkPak offers design advantages that drive sustainability and supply chain efficiency. These robust containers stack when full for warehouse optimization and collapse when empty, providing freight cost savings. Now let's look at some important features of the HDR series. Just like all of our BulkPak offerings, the HDR has two-piece spring-loaded latches, which maintain functionality through changing temperatures. A consistent ergonomic latch is a critical safety feature, providing a durable and secure sidewall interlock. These latches have robust engagement points and are known as a slam latch, which makes collapsing and assembling bins simple and efficient. The long side door uses an articulating hinge, and the short side door uses a single access hinge. Repair is simple and will be covered in the latter part of this video. Taking a closer look at the corner of the bin, you will notice how the sidewalls interlock. This feature creates secure engagement and stability of the bin during transportation and storage. The base-to-panel connection includes strong, robust fiberglass hinge rods, as well as engineered sidewall ribbing, adding strength to the bin for heavy loads. Let's take a look inside the bin. You can see there is a solid base with holes, allowing the bin to be cleaned easily. For quick reference, a maximum fill line is molded into the sidewalls of the container. There are banding slots located in the sidewalls, which provide an opportunity to secure uneven loads. Let's look at a few key features of the base. The base of this BulkPak HDR container has a molded-in perimeter stringer with 4 over-molded fiberglass bars, which increase base strength. Engineered ribbing in the base and stringer provides additional strength and durability for increased weight loads. Orbis offers many ways to customize your bin for your supply chain needs. This includes card holders, label placards, placard boards, RFID, and molded-in logos, as well as various colors and door configurations. Additional protection from dust or contaminants is easy with the addition of a cover. Orbis offers customized part protection with our ORBIS Shield product line. Efficiently fit more parts per bin with ORBIS Shield, which is custom designed to maximize any of our BulkPak containers. For more information, please contact an Orbis sales representative or visit our website at orbiscorporation.com. Repair and disassembly for the HDR 7048 and 7848. Insert the flathead screwdriver underneath the hinge pin located in the center of the hinge and move the hinge pin out of its location. This will disengage the door and it will be able to be removed. Remove the door and use the flathead screwdriver to punch out the hinge from the inside of the container. The hinge is now removed. Take the new hinge and place it in the hinge location. Open and close the access door to ensure correct fit. Insert the flathead screwdriver on the back side of the hinge and move the hinge pin out of its location. Remove the hinge pin. Use a flathead screwdriver to push the new pin into the hinge location. Open and close the access door to ensure correct fit. Insert the flathead screwdriver in between the latch and the tab that is holding the latch in place. Push the latch over so it disengages from the tab and the latch will be able to be removed. Remove latch and push new latch in place. Take the new latch and place it in the latch location. Push down on the latch and it will snap into place. Use rubber mallet to remove hinge rod from its location. Once the rod is out a few inches, the operator should be able to pull the rod out the rest of the way. Remove hinge rod and sidewall and replace with a new hinge rod and sidewall. Slide in new hinge rod and use the rubber mallet to install. Erect doors to check for proper fit. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions regarding the BulkPak HD series bin, please contact an Orbis representative today or check out our website at orbiscorporation.com.